Introducing the 2012 Volvo S60. With less than 150,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This athletic S60 delivers engaging performance and peace of mind wrapped in stunning contemporary style. Make the most of every journey in this gracefully sophisticated compact luxury sedan. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, satellite radio, premium sound system, heated mirrors, fog lamps, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC, power driver seat, alarm. Drive your best life in this beautifully designed S60. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.